I'm sure you've heard the news. Spain is a traveller's paradise, but some spots might leave you feeling more meh than marvellous. While the country is known for its rich culture, stunning landscapes and vibrant cities, not every destination is worth your time. While Spain boasts incredible attractions, there are some places that might not live up to the hype. These spots often get overcrowded, overpriced, and can sometimes feel like tourist traps rather than authentic experiences. First up, Lloret de Mar. It's more rowdy party town than relaxing beach retreat. If you're looking for a peaceful seaside escape, this might not be the place for you. Then there's Benidorm, where high-rises and package holidays overshadow authentic Spanish vibes. The skyline is dominated by concrete, and the beaches can get incredibly crowded. Magaluf in Mallorca, think noise, chaos and cheap booze. Perfect if that's your scene, but not if you're after tranquility. The nightlife is intense and the streets are bustling with partygoers. Torremolinos used to be a charming fishing village, but now it's overrun and kind of blah. The overdevelopment has stripped away much of its original charm. Salou may be great for theme park lovers, but culture seekers, not so much. The focus here is on entertainment rather than cultural enrichment. Plaza Mayor in Madrid can be overpriced and overcrowded, and La Rambla in Barcelona, tourist trap central. Both places are often packed with tourists, making it hard to enjoy the local atmosphere. Tenerife's southern resorts lack local charm, and Ibiza in peak season, crowded and pricey. The natural beauty is overshadowed by the sheer number of visitors. Finally, Fuengirola's concrete jungle might not be the Spanish dream you envisioned. The urban sprawl can be overwhelming and lacks the picturesque quality you might be seeking. Avoid these spots if you're after something truly special. Instead, seek out lesser-known gems that offer a more authentic and enriching experience. Happy travels.